While it may sound far-fetched, one of the best ways to learn a new language is through insults, curse words, and unsavory idioms. This is because words associated with the heights of the expression help a language learner get a tangible feel for the culture of those speaking the language they seek to learn. Regardless of if you are learning Spanish on your own, perfecting your pronunciation, or getting a few idioms under your belt, the following Spanish insult will arm you with a few more terms to use. The first one in this list is El burro sabe más que tú. Donkeys know more than you. If you ask us, this is insulting to donkeys worldwide, which are kind and hardworking animals. But you get the point. In many cultures, people are linked to the donkeys to insult their intelligence or talent. Spanish is no different. Number 2. La mona, aunque se vista de seda, mona se queda. Although a monkey dresses in silk, it stays a monkey. This saying is similar to the English idiom, you can put lipstick on a pig, but it's still a pig. The gist here is that you can dress something or someone up however you want, but at the end of the day, they're still what they are. In this case, the insult is directed to someone who may not be intelligent, talented, or attractive. Number 3. Me cago en tu madre. I shit on your mother. Insulting anyone's mother in any language is highly offensive, which is why Spanish speakers perfected an almost endless slew of Spanish insults targeted at mothers of friends and foes alike. I shit on your mother doesn't need any explanation. While we have never heard of anyone literally doing this, just the graphic of someone defecating on the mother of another is all you need to start a war. Number 4. Te voy a dar una galleta. I'm going to give you a cookie. How is I'm going to give you a cookie an insult, you ask? Well, to start, it doesn't mean that you're actually going to give someone a cookie. Cookies are often delicious and pleasurable, which wouldn't be insulting at all, unless you said you were going to give someone a cookie and didn't. Here, it means that you are going to hit someone. You can also use te voy a dar una hostia que as a way of saying you're going to give someone a slap so hard that, well, fill the blank. Number 5, peina bombillas. Someone who combs light bulbs. Weird, right? Peina bombillas is an example of an insult made from a compound verb, which many people in many languages enjoy using. Here, peina bombillas means that someone is naive and, for lack of a better word, stupid. There's obviously something wrong with anyone who combs light bulbs. Last time we checked, light bulbs didn't have hair follicles. Number 6, mamón, suckling. In English, a suckling is a child or an animal that sucks the teeth of their mother until they move on to hard food. Here, it means that someone is a jerk. A pretty mild insult if you ask us, but we wanted to cool down the heat in here after all of those wild and graphic ones. Go forth and use your Spanish insults, but carefully. You're now armed with more than a handful of hilarious Spanish insults to either memorize for a rainy day or learn so that you will be better prepared in case anyone ends up throwing one of them in your way. Be sure to test a few of them with people who you think will find them equally funny and unlikely to give you a black eye.